The Horn Farm Center team has been hard at work this year. From managing our agroforestry demonstrations and restoration projects to organizing over 100 educational events, we have focused our energy on bringing people to the land. We do so because the land needs us to restore broken ecosystems, rebuild wildlife habitat, and reverse climate change. Now, more than ever, the land is calling us to rediscover our place in nature. We believe that providing positive experiences in the outdoors will inspire the passion our world needs to regenerate the health of our environment. The lessons we learn are more than educational. Connecting to the earth helps to mend our relationships with the land, ourselves, and each other. Beyond the healing touch of nature, there's something special about this place. Situated within the rural Susquehanna River corridor that defines Lancaster and York, the Horn Farm is a place for discovery and creative exploration. This year, 36 students completed our signature training programs. 15 new land stewards, 8 ecological gardeners, and 13 beekeepers are now implementing the skills they learned at the Horn Farm in their own backyards and communities. We also launched our pilot Community Crew volunteer program, training 25 volunteers in responsible tool use and restoration techniques to further our work to revitalize all 186 acres of the farm. With a diverse offering of program topics, from foraging and mushroom classes to composting and hugelkultur, to bread making and functional movement, over 600 students benefited from educational programs at the Horn Farm Center this year. Your support of these hands-on experiences at the Horn Farm Center truly makes a difference. Your contributions help to regenerate the health of the land and educate others to do the same. Donate today to support the Horn Farm Center.